everyone? Welcome to Cameron Ranch Glamping's first OOD Mirror House. I'm so excited to have you come check out our place, come glamping with us, and see what it's all about. Let's give you a quick video tour and show you the ins and outs of everything you're going to need to enjoy your stay. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or send us an email. This is what your walk-up will look like as you're coming in. I'll turn real quick to show you. You'll be parking right there, coming down, and I will have a video out showing you exactly how to get to the back, but it's pretty simple once you're coming down England Lane, which is the main road it's on. Here's a quick inside tour. Your lockbox will be located right here, and you will be sent the code that is needed to get inside. Please try to keep the key in there. These are kind of special made keys because it's from Europe, Estonia to be exact, from the OOD company. Walk right in, give you a quick little tour. Queen memory foam mattress. If you have a third person, this is designed for 2 people mainly, but if you have a third person, there is a bean bag that folds out into a mattress under the bed that can be lifted up. Please let us do it though. If you give us a heads up that you have 3 people coming, we will make sure to set it out. Most people just lay it out right here when they want to sleep, but you can keep it in the corner or anywhere else that you want to, and just to get it out of the way. Roku TV, it is logged into Netflix, Hulu, and HBO Max. There is Wi-Fi, it is Starlink. 2 little side lights for you to turn on if you need them. There are plugs on each side as well. Coffee table area. We always have a welcome basket in case you forgot, with some toothbrush, popcorn, eye mask, makeup wipes, other small things that you may need going in. This is a little closet. We do have a luggage rack right there that will be in the closet or maybe on the side as well. 2 fully cleaned, luxurious robes. You have a projector screen that's still not out the box. The projector is there. It will hook up to your phone. It also can hook up to an HDMI cord. So if you have a Roku stick, laptop, anything else like that, we will have a DVD player out here soon too. Just haven't brought it down yet. There are some games down there, Uno, chess, some yoga mats. You have some hangers in there that you can hang up. There will be some more hooks to hang things on. And we keep moving on to the kitchenette. Got the coffee bar stocked, Keurig coffee maker, microwave, all utensils, hand and dish soap. Inside, pots, pans, olive oil, some more cooking utensils, little baby waffle maker in there, glasses, utensils, coffee mugs, all that. And you have some more utensils down here and some storage for some other things. There's a 2-top electric burner in there, electric kettle, utensils, and some spices and more things for you. Trash will be under here, and some extras, first aid kit, fire extinguisher. Right here we have our AC heater unit that is a mini split ran off this. You can swipe between, this is right now, it is, and if you can see the mode, that little sun up there means it's in heat, but you can go between it. The little snowflake means that it's cold. This is auto, which has a mind of its own sometimes, but right now it's a little hot, so right now it's a little cold, so we're keeping the heater on. It does have heated floors in the main part of it. That is what this is for, is the floor heater. Full transparency. I'm still trying to figure this out all the way and how well it works. They do get a little warmer, but you can't really feel it that much. So don't freak out if you're messing with that and not really understanding it. I kind of keep it lower sometimes. Still figuring this one out myself though, not gonna lie to you. Record player, some books over here. We will have a better record, record setup. All the records are down there with some towels, extra blanket, paper towels, and toilet paper if you need any extra. We do have curtains that can be pulled back, even though you'll never see anybody anywhere here. During the day, it is a mirror outside, but at night, you can see inside the unit. So, like I said, there's nobody ever gonna be anywhere in near your area. But if you do want to draw the curtains, they're all there. And we move into the bathroom. Rain shower head and handle nozzle. And then you got your extremely elegant and fancy Japanese toilet. Ooh, ah. A little more storage in there. This is where our hot water heater is as well. So there's not gonna be too much in here. Will be some makeup wipes. You have your shampoos and things. They will be hanging over by the shower soon. Hair dryer and a couple other small things that you may need are in there already. And let's keep it moving along. So you can come around the outside. Full mirror during the day, as you can see. Of our little outside gas fire pit seating area. We'll have a little charcoal grill right there for you. This will be covered in the mornings. This will be covered when you arrive. Please try to put the covers back on when you're not using them, because obviously they're white and they can get dirty, and we don't want them all wet when you're trying to sit on them in the morning. The covers will be hidden kind of on this side by the AC unit over here. But I'll kind of show you a quick demonstration. To turn this on, push in, you hear the gas start to go, and you just keep pressing this igniter button at the bottom. I'm doing it with one hand right now, but still talented right here. And you can crank it up. Propane tank will be in here. If you need anything to turn it off or anything like that, we'll always make sure it's full. There will be one down there if it randomly goes out, but we always do make sure that it's full and is provided. We do not provide charcoal. We do not provide charcoal, but we do provide gas for the grill and fire pit. So then you make your way down here at night. We have a few solar lights that come on that are motion activated to help light up this area. Please do watch your step going down. Try to make it as accommodating as possible. But you can walk down here, and this is a work in progress over here. Will be something built up more over the next month or two. There's a couple chairs there. You can sit on Huffman's Creek, drink coffee. It's some hammock chairs. They're really cool and nice. You can just walk right here, get to it, but eventually we'll have a path pretty soon for it. You keep coming this way on our amazing walking bridge over Huffman's Creek to my favorite area, outdoor sauna, bath, grilling area. So I'll give you a quick demonstration of everything first. Let's take the bathtub first. So we're working on boosting up the hot water heater out here. This will be covered as well. Don't have a cover right now for the aesthetics of it. We are working on building this up a little more, probably have a cover on it and things, but every time you get out of this, please cover it up with the black cover we provide, just to keep the leaves and other dirt and things out of there, because it will just dirty up your bath water every single time. So every time you get out, please cover it up if you can. We're working on getting the heat much higher out here. For right now, the faucet goes between hot and cold. By the time you probably come stay out here, we will have a much higher heat capacity that you can use this. But if you want to fill up this tub, you can push in that button and use this front handle first, and it will get all the way hot just because it's less gallons per minute. Very soon that you'll be able to use this to use the hot temperatures, but for right now, that is what is working at the moment. If you're preferring to fill up the whole thing, get it extra hot, use that nozzle for the first couple times. If you feel the hot water getting much better out of the faucet, the bigger one, then feel free to use that, because in the next couple of days, we will have it solved. It's just, you learn this process as you go. Seating area, rain head shower. This is full hot water. I'm going to the sauna, show how we use this. So you'll come around back. You have a light switch here. Needed outlet plug down there. And then this is how you get into your sauna. We'll have some towels provided. So this is how you work the heater. It does take about 30 minutes to an hour to get hotter in here. So if you're planning on coming in here, I would crank it up, let it get going. You can hang out here if you want to, but I would crank it up and let it get going for at least 30 minutes. This right here is your maximum nozzle. I have it all the way to max usually, but you can adjust it if you want the temp lower or hotter. This nozzle right here, this is pretty important, so let me get in a little bit. All you need to do to turn it on is just crank it to this first one right here. You hear that click? Once you hear that click, it's coming on. Now, like I said, if you have it on maximum, it probably takes about 30 minutes to a little longer to really get hotter in here. So if you want to turn it on, step out and, get some other things going, grill some steaks, work on something else outside, play some games, come back, it will be very warm for you. Please read the rules as well. Do not stay in there for longer than 10 to 15 minutes when it's extremely hot. Don't drink alcohol and other drugs while you're in there. Whole bunch of different rules for safety. We have a liability waiver that we do make you sign for the sauna as well. And we'll send it over by email once you're booked. It's pretty simple, basic things, but mainly just don't stay in there too long and get too hot. If you do, come out, take a cold shower, cool off, and you will enjoy it. We have our fire pit, more firewood. We will provide you with some fire starters and a grilling kit. Connect 4, cornhole, another small, I cannot talk today, small charcoal grill, the pizza oven. That's how you can put your pizza in. I get it extra hot first, but also I like to just put my pizza in like this because it lifts up as a grill. There it goes, it's going. You can hear it now. There'll be a propane tank back there hooked up for you. So that was just a really, really quick guide on our amazing OOD Mirror House and sauna. I didn't want to go over too much information with you. If you have any specific questions, please reach out to us and let us know. And I'm going out here to the little hammock area to kind of show you the last bit of what we got. As you can see, Huffman's Creek's right behind us. We appreciate y'all coming to Cameron Ranch Glamping and staying with us. Go to www.cameronranchglamping.com. Follow us on all social media at Cameron Ranch Glamping. We'd love to hear any feedback, and we hope to have you come glamping soon. Have a good day. Take care.